I got this super hot fire, super hot, spicy Doritos Low Spicy Taco Nacho, whatever the fuck. Shout out to Giannis and the Milwaukee Bucks for their victory last night. Because of you, I got this taco for free. And I mean, who gonna pass up some free food? I think I do a review. I'm not one for spicy, so let that be clear. I'm not a spicy food man, but I am a freed man of legal age, a cheap man, a broke man. God bless. And free sound good to me. So that's what we on today. Where's my... Oh, there it is. Okay, I found you. I don't know if y'all can see that. Bow. There it is. Boom. Name drops. I'm trying to take your style. But I'm only practicing, bro. I know you're king of fried food, fast review, and all that goodness. Shout out to Dame Drops for the Netflix show. I got some spots I want to try just because of you now. Thank you. Let's just try it out, man. Flammin Hot. That's something on my screen. It's not on my face. Lord Jesus. Flammin Hot Doritos Los Tacos. Let's get into it. Not that bad. I thought it was gonna be like crazy hot, but it's not that bad. It'll be better. Now I don't know how adventurous your palate may be. It might be cool with some sour cream on it. That'd be fire. But it got some heat to it, but it's flavorful. You know, it got some flavor. The heat got some flavor. Kinda tasty. I'm not gonna lie. Traditionally speaking, these Doritos taco shells, they tend to be real brittle and they break up easy. But this one's pretty steady. I don't know if this one is stale or I'm just hungry. It may be the latter, ain't no telling. But it's keeping its integrity for the most part, which I am pleasantly surprised. Huh. Beard problems. I wasn't saving it for later. That was just a happy accident. And I am on my lunch break, so. But yeah. It's straight, man. I don't know if you're gonna see this video today, or if anybody gonna ever see this video. I'm gonna post it randomly just cause, but there it is. That crispy. Yep. Shout out to Samsung with the camera. Galaxy or die, bro. I love my Samsung. I forget that dude's name. He on TikTok. It's something the rapper. I don't remember his name, but that shit's hilarious. I love my Samsung. If you know his name, comment it below. Tag him. Now, Brad, if you see this video, this shit funny as hell. Keep on growing. But that's it for this. It's a little, it ain't gonna take us long. The 5-minute video. And I got 25 minutes left on my lunch. So, yeah. My name is Maurice. This is my YouTube channel. And I post random shit Random shit with Mo. There you go. Y'all be easy. H-Town, baby.